Welcome. Today we are going to see about Sarkaria Commission. Sarkaria Commission was constituted in the year of 1983 and they submitted a final report in 1987 after an extension of 4 times. Sarkaria Commission did not favor any structural changes. They laid an emphasis on changes in operational and functional reforms. They relied upon a content called over-centralization leads to blood pressure at the center and anemia in the periphery. Now we are going to see about some of the recommendations of Sarkaria Commission. Sarkaria Commission recommended for the constitution of Interstate Council, that is the formulation of Article 263. And it also recommended for the establishment of zonal council. The details of interstate council and zonal council will be discussed in detail in interstate relations. Residuary taxation can be relied with the center, while the other residuary powers in the 7th schedule should be given to the concurrent list. In case of any assent withhold with the president, the reason should be properly communicated to the state governments regarding the withhold of assent by the president. It recommended for the formulation of 3-language system, and it also recommended for the activation of linguistic minority. The next comes about taxation systems. Surcharge of income tax cannot be given only with the center. Surcharge of income tax should not be levied by the center except for a specific purpose for a strictly and limited period. Corporation tax should be shared with the states. The functions of Finance Commission and Planning Commission, that is the functions of Finance Commission and Planning Commission should be reasonable and the progress should continue. Next comes the agenda of governor. Governor should be appointed for the term of 5 years and he can dismiss the state legislature only if the majority falls. Governor appointment in a state should be consulted with the Chief Minister. Now let me explain the agenda of governor present in the recommendations of Sarkaria Commission. The governor is appointed for the term of 5 years. Governor can dismiss the state legislative assembly only if the majority government falls. The appointment of the governor, the state chief minister should be consulted in this regard. Next, we are going to see about concurrent list. While making laws on concurrent list, central government should consult with the state government. The National Development Council should be renamed as National Economic Development Council. In case of armed forces, central government has more powers on armed forces. The central government can recruit armed forces in the state. In case of the recruitment of armed forces in the states, state governments can be consulted for better governance. Sarkaria Commission also recommended no change in Rajya Sabha, no change in the powers functions on Rajya Sabha. It recommended that autonomy should not be provided for television and radio systems. It also laid a stress on Article 356, whereas the President's rule can be formulated as a last regard, provided that the President rule under Article 356 should not be misused by the central government. The next comes the All India services. The All India services like IAS, IPS, IFS should be strengthened to increase the relationship between the central government and the state government. Thank you for hearing.